Quick fire video today on the 5 most beneficial tools to use for OFM. Kicking off the list, we've got what I believe to be the most undervalued and underutilized tool, which is a project manager. Personally, at TDM, we use Notion. We use it for every area of the business, from chatting to marketing, staff management. Every area of the business has its own workspace, which the management team have access to. For beginner agencies, this isn't going to be a massively essential tool to get on board with straight away. If you started an agency with your business partner and you've only got 1 or 2 creators, 1 or 2 members of staff, it's not going to be totally essential. You might not get a huge amount of benefit from a project management tool, but it is a very good habit to get into as you start to grow. As you onboard more creators, as you hire more staff and grow as a business, it's going to become more and more important. We've tried a couple of the other softwares that are out there on the market available, but for us, Notion was just the easiest to get to grips with, and also it's got quite a lot of important integrations for us, like Google Drive, Google Calendar, Lucidchart, Loom, and some others. Second on the list, we have Infloww, which is our CRM for OnlyFans. Unlike a project manager, you absolutely need a CRM as an agency. Even as a smaller agency, some of the key features that Infloww offer are absolutely essential to the way that we run the business. We moved over to Infloww a long time ago, but when we did, it was a huge step forward for us, to the point where now we'd be lost without it, to be honest. Again, there are a few different CRMs out there, but for us, the firm favorite has been Infloww. The features, the functionality, the support, and the relationship that we've been able to build with Matthew and some of the other members of the team has been really great. Third on the list is Dolphin Anti, which is a non-detect browser that we've used for a lot of things over the past couple of years. For the majority of the time, we use Dolphin Anti to run a lot of our social media platforms, whether it's Reddit, Twitter, in the past, dating apps, and we also use it to log into OnlyFans alternatives like FanView, Fansly, and so on. For those that don't know, Dolphin allows you to hide your device IDs, IP addresses, geolocations from the platforms that you're actually using, which becomes again more important as you grow as an agency, right? If you're running 30 different Reddit accounts or 30 different Twitter accounts, you're not going to be able to do that from your home device on your home IP address. You're going to need Dolphin, you're going to need a different non-detect browser, and you're going to need proxies. Dolphin's a bit more on the expensive side, and it hasn't always been perfect. There have been issues with leaking data in the past, that kind of stuff. But to be honest with you, for us, we've been using it for so long that it would be a bit of a nightmare to transfer all of our accounts over to something like AdsPower or GoLogin or a different platform. But all of them essentially complete the same task. Fourth on the list is OnlyFinder. Now, OnlyFinder can be used in a couple of key areas. First and foremost, for the beginner agencies that are watching this video, it's a great tool to use for recruitment. You can filter by new creators and you can find a long list of all the creators who have just joined the platform. These are going to be great opportunities for you to recruit your first creators into the agency, and I definitely recommend this as one of the key recruitment strategies if you are just starting out with OnlyFans. The second area is going to be paid ads. So when you do have your creator, or let's say you've had a creator signed to your agency for a little while and you want to experiment with paid promotion, paid ads, OnlyFinder has a great feature where you can advertise your creators on their platform. There's a submission form that you can fill out via the website. If you meet the requirements, they'll get back to you and you can put your paid ads on their site. But just to be clear, this isn't something that I'd recommend for beginner agencies, as you are going to need quite a lot of capital to invest to get the most out of the platform. And the fifth and final tool that I would actually recommend for OnlyFans management is a bit of a controversial one, and it's Telegram. For any of you that are already in the Telegram space, you'll know that a vast majority of the groups and a lot of the people that are within these groups, quite frankly, are just talking a load of bullshit. But if you filter out the good stuff from the shit, you will probably find quite a lot of valuable information, some good connections, and it's a great place to network. More specifically, what I'm referring to here with Telegram are the paid groups and the verified earner groups. Any group that has a paywall, typically, not to say this is always the case, but will typically have members in the group who are more serious about what they're doing. They've already established themselves as an agency and can actually offer some value. With the verified earner groups, again, more of the same here. There are only really 3 or 4 that I know about. For us, we have the TDM Monarchy, which is $500,000 per month or more. But again, if you can find yourself within these groups, the chances are you're going to be networking with guys who are actually making money, actually getting results, and are actually serious about the business model. With that said, one of the exceptions to the rule with the free Telegram groups is going to be our group. It's TDM Business, and there's a link in the description to join for free. Anyone who's already in the group will know that we're very active in there, and we're always happy to take new questions. So if you've got anything for us, feel free to shoot it into the group, and we'll catch you soon.